Hi guys from YouTube, how you guys doing? I just make up my mind today to make a video for you guys to how to replace the puddle, I think it's called puddle light or a proximity light on a 2011 Lexus lx570. I think this process is the same from 2007 through 2015. I don't know the rest of the years, to be honest. I just know those years that look very similar to mine, and I'm gonna show you how to replace that bulb, since I was looking for a long time how to do it, because I saw some videos from other vehicles that you have to, let me open this up, since that you have to unscrew this part, doing all kinds of weird things to get to the bulb. And I just give it a shot, and I was able to find it. I replaced the regular halogen bulb that was in here with this bulb, because I used it in the past, like on the running boards, and I'm very happy with them. They're very bright, so that's what I decide to use. By the way, I'm not promoting, they're not paying me to use this bulb. I just like them. I have tried a lot of bulbs in the past, especially this one, that it has no polarity, so you don't have to check or swap the bulb every time, and it's campus ready, and it's a new LED technology. I really like this bulb. So again, they're not paying me to throw their name out there, okay? So you guys can get anything you guys like, but I just personally like this bulb for my vehicles. So anyways, the first thing that you do, I'm gonna show you how to replace it. I mean, I already replaced it, but I'm gonna show you how to do it, because again, there is no video on YouTube to show you how to do it. So you put your hands behind the mirror like this, and you lift like this the mirror. And since it's a really quick swap on the bulb, I just left it like that, just out of the way. And right here's the socket for the bulb, and you just twist it, and here's the bulb. See, I already put the LED bulb in there, and as soon as you change it, put it back in place like so. Sorry, it's hard to do it with one hand, and it's cold. My hands are freezing. We are in December 2023 in beautiful Bend, Oregon. Oh, I have the automatic lock, and it's cold, so my hands are a little frozen. But anyways, so installation of the mirror is same as the removal. So pretty much make sure this pins goes into those, I would call it notches. I would call it like that. Make sure, again, I'm with one hand, it's hard. These three round things, make sure they go in here and just press. So we make sure it goes like so, and press. Oh, like I said, it's hard to do with one hand, so make sure you put your hand in there. Okay, there we go. Sorry for the struggle. I'm trying to hold the camera and everything at once. Anyways, well, my phone. Anyways, that's how you do it. That's how you replace it. Oh, I bet it'll be nice and bright at night. But anyways, that's how you replace it on a well, at least my vehicle is a 2011 Lexus lx570. I'm sure it's going to be the same procedures for 2007 through 2015. I'm not sure about the newest model. I think it's 2016 and up, but I bet it'll be kind of the same. But again, I'm not a mechanic. I'm not responsible if you break something like the mirror. And be careful, because these mirrors are really expensive for what I heard. I just did it because I don't have a Lexus dealer nearby, and I always wanted to do it. Well, have to hear my video, guys. Enjoy. Hopefully my video helps someone out there. instead of paying hundreds of dollars at the Lexus dealer. I don't even know if they charge you to do this, but since it's a Lexus, I'm sure they do. So anyways, up to here the video, and hopefully someone gets help on my video. Well, like it. Thank you. Bye.